Have you heard that NASA Voyager spacecraft crossed a wall of fire at the edge of the solar system? Sound dramatic, right? But is it real? Let us uncover the truth. Friends, today we are diving into one of the most fascinating space stories. Journey of Voyager probes and the truth about the so-called wall of fire. Did Voyager really cross through flames, or is it just a misunderstood headlines? Voyager's legendary journey. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were launched in 1977, long before smartphones, when computers were the size of rooms. These probes took advantage of a real planetary alignment that happens once every 176 years. Using a clever trick called gravity assist, they slingshotted past Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, giving us the first close-up looks at these giant worlds. Jupiter discovered active volcanoes on its moon, Io, thin hidden rings, and hints of an ocean under Europa icy surface. Saturn showed that its rings are made of thousands of smaller ringlets, revealed strange ring patterns, and found Titan's thick atmosphere. Uranus confirmed it spins sideways, discovered new moons, and found a tilted magnetic field. Neptune captured the great dark spot, a storm, and witnessed icy volcanoes erupting on Triton. Voyager changed everything we knew about our outer solar system. The age of the solar system, the mystery zone. But their biggest adventure began after they passed the planets. Our sun constantly blows out a stream of charged particles called the solar wind. This wind forms a giant bubble around us, the heliosphere. Think of it as an invisible protective shield. The point where the solar winds slow down is called the termination shock. Beyond that is the heliosphere, a turbulent outer layer. And finally comes the heliopause, the true boundary where the sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. Voyager 1 crossed this boundary in 2012 and Voyager 2 followed in 2018. So what about the wall of fire? Here is the truth. There was no actual wall of flames. What happens is that near the heliospause, Voyager detected a sudden rise in energetic particles. Some media turned this into the dramatic idea of firewall. But in reality, it's just the interaction between solar wind, magnetic field and the interstellar medium. No fire, no burning, just complex space physics. Voyager recorded a drop in solar wind particles, a rise in interstellar plasma density, a shift in magnetic fields, and an increase in energetic particles. This was groundbreaking science, but not a wall of fire. Why this matters? By crossing into interstellar space, Voyager gave us the first direct measurement of the environment between stars. It helps scientists study the structure of our heliosphere, the nature of interstellar magnetic field, how cosmic rays move through space. The legacy of Voyager. Even today, more than 45 years later, both Voyagers are still sending data. One day their power will run out, but they will continue drifting silently among the stars, carrying a golden record with sounds and images of Earth, a message to any future travelers. So, no, Voyager did not pass through a burning wall of fire. Instead, it crossed into something far more exciting, a new frontier. It showed us the boundary between our sun's influence and the great unknown of interstellar space. Voyager's journey is proof of human curiosity and our endless desire to explore. If you enjoyed this space adventure, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more science stories, and let me know in the comment what do you think lies beyond our solar system. Keep looking up, and I will see you in the next video.